This is a Perilous Ink review and exclusive bonus. Today we're going to be going over Perilous Ink, and this is actually a collection of 400 ChatGPT or Claude AI prompts to create story outlines for 3 popular thriller subgenres. That means it's going to help you write thriller books, and it goes over psychological thrillers, medical thrillers, and conspiracy thrillers. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go over the offer. I'm going to go ahead and tell you who the creator of this is. I'm going to show you my exclusive bonus. We're going to look at the sales page, and we're going to also look at the funnel. And I'm actually going to show you an example of the bonus that I have created specifically for you. You're not going to find this bonus anywhere else because I created it just for you. So first of all, Perilous Ink is another set of prompts from Kevin Barry. This is going to be launching November 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Kevin Barry. He's a top 25 vendor on Warrior Plus. He has 487 sales of previous products, and his products are ranked at 4.75 out of 5. So he has actually really high ratings on the products he creates. So that is really nice to see. Now, we had previously reviewed Murder AI Wrote 2. That one had 250 sales, and we also created a very similar custom GPT with that as well. Now, if you do decide to purchase through my link down below in the description, it is an affiliate link and I do get a small commission for that, but I'm going to be able to provide you with some amazing value that you're not going to find anywhere else. So if you decide to purchase through me, I'm actually going to give you 2 things. I'm going to have a PDF quick start guide that's only 2 pages that shows you step by step everything you need to do, as opposed to reading the 65-page document that you're going to be getting. Also, I created a custom GPT that incorporates the different prompts from this offer, so that instead of going through and having to manually pick which ones you want, manually paste it into GPT or Claude, you're going to be able to go ahead and create your books with just a couple of yes, no, or selections. So look right here, we're going to come into the custom GPT, and it's already preloaded with the 400 prompts and the ability to create your chapter images, so you can create your 20 chapter thriller books automatically. So we just say start, and it's going to give us the 3 options that we have. So we have conspiracy thrillers, medical thrillers, and psychological thrillers. So we can go ahead and select any one that we want here, and we'll just copy and we'll paste it. And then it's going to go ahead and give us a list of who, what, when, where, how, and see which one we like. So it's going to go ahead and give us a list of ones that we can go ahead and create. And if we find one that we like, it will start outlining the book for us. So it's going to go ahead and give us a really long list. But so we find the one that we like. So you see, it keeps going. It's going to go ahead and give us the list of the ones. So we'll just go ahead and find the one that we like. We paste it there. All right. So it's going to go ahead and give us different options for main character, where the story is set, what kind of twist that we want. So we would select one of each, and then it's going to go ahead and write the outline for us. If we like the outline, it will go ahead and start writing the chapters for us, and each chapter, it will create a chapter image for us. So you're going to go ahead and get access to that along with the quick start guide if you decide to purchase through me in the link below. Also, if you decide to go ahead and get the OTO, I'm going to go ahead and show you that. You will also be able to get another custom GPT writer based on that OTO and the additional prompts. So let's go ahead and look at the funnel. So here is the initial sales page. I must tell you that Kevin Barry is very short and succinct to what he does on his sales pages. They're not super long. They're not super drawn out. He basically tells you what you're going to get, and you can either buy or you don't. So right here it says Perilous Ink, and you get 400 prompts for ChatGPT or Claude AI. So you come here, it's actually launching in 44 hours. I'm trying to get ahead of the curve here. He's going to tell you who he is and what you're going to get. You can buy. Here's an example of what you're going to get. It's going to show you the different genres here. So you see here the top 20 books for psychological thrillers are doing about $151,831 per month. We have the medical thrillers doing about 14 grand a month, and conspiracy thrillers doing about 19 grand a month. And that's the average for the top 20 books, which is pretty cool. And then we also have, what's the next step? You can go ahead and write them yourself, and you can go ahead and buy. Let's go ahead and look at the funnel and see the different options. So here is the front end with the early bird pricing. So this is for the launch period. It is going to be going up after the launch, but here is the early bird pricing. If you decide to get it during the launch period, you'll get these discounted prices, and you'll be able to also claim my bonus. So of course, we know the front end is the 4 ChatGPT prompts. And if you get that, you also get my custom GPT to be able to write these for you automatically. Write the books without having to manually select the prompts yourself. Also, with OTO1, if you pick this up, you're going to get another custom GPT for that. And with this, it's going to be 513 prompts. And this is going to add political thrillers, espionage thrillers, sporting thrillers, and extortion thriller subgenres. And then you have the ability to get an upsell for $9, which is a keyword power pack that gives you keywords for these particular books to help you go ahead and publish them and hopefully try to rank them when you are publishing them on Amazon, KDP, or other platforms. And then OTO2 has a collection of 593 outline or prompts, and it has legal thrillers, financial thrillers, techno thrillers, and missing person thrillers. And if you decide to get OTO2 through me, I will also get you another custom GPT for these particular thriller subgenres. So make sure that if you decide that this is something you want to get, click the link below while this product is live, and you will be able to go ahead and claim my bonuses. The bonus will be automatically delivered for the front end here. And if you get the OTOs, you can go ahead and contact me. I have my contact information below, and you can go ahead and contact me to go ahead and claim those bonuses as well. We have OTO3, which is going to be a collection of 300 book cover templates that you can go ahead and use and edit inside of Canva. And there is OTO4, which is going to have the entire bundle of 1,151 prompts for Murder AI 2. So the previous product that he released, it's going to have that as well as all of the prompts for all of the upsells for that offer, all in this offer here combined. So you'll be able to get the whole last product and all its upsells for this one discounted price of $57. Now, inside the deliverable for the front end, you are going to see that you're going to get a PDF, and it's going to go ahead and outline these things below. It has your prompt and the main prompt it's going to set up, as well as expanding on that prompt. And it's also going to have the examples for the outputs for Claude AI and ChatGPT. And then it's going to tell you how to use ChatGPT. And then it's going to have all of the prompts for the psychological thrillers, the prompts for medical thrillers, and the prompts for conspiracy thrillers. Now, if you look here, the deliverable is 90 pages. So you can dive in here and you can manually copy and paste and do all that stuff and find the ones that you want. Or you can use the custom GPT, select the kind that you want. It'll give you all the options, and you can go ahead and start writing your book like that and get your 20 chapter book with your images for each chapter automatically created for you, because we did the hard work just for you. So you can go ahead and go through the document. And like I said, it also will go ahead and give you an example of the output. So you'll have a synopsis of the book. You'll have the main characters of the book. You'll go ahead and have the settings for the book and the major points and twists as well, and the themes for the book, and some different things that were used in creating the book itself. And once you have that, you look it over. If there's anything that you want to change, then you can change it. And after that, it writes the book for you. So hopefully this was informative on the Perilous Ink book prompts for thrillers. I hope that you liked the review and the bonus that we're offering. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm always willing to go ahead and answer those for you. And as well, thank you so much for watching our Perilous Ink review and exclusive bonus that is going to be launching on November 14th at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.